The 1970s was a golden age for Japanese motorcycles, producing bikes that combined power, innovation, and legendary reliability. Decades later, many are still on the road. Here are 10 of the best Japanese motorcycles from the 1970s that last forever. Number 10. Honda CB450. Known as the Black Bomber, the Honda CB450 was the company's first competitive motorbike in the performance category. It had a 444 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine with dual overhead cams, which was revolutionary for its day when it was first introduced in the late 1960s and remained powerful into the 1970s. The CB450 fulfilled Honda's goals of producing a motorbike that was strong, reliable, and reasonably priced. It was unique in that it was able to combine exceptional dependability with excellent performance. It was unique among high-performance bikes of the time in that riders could push it to its boundaries without having to worry about ongoing maintenance. Many CB450s are still in use today, demonstrating how durable they are. They continue to be a popular option for enthusiasts and collectors who value a vintage motorbike that functions well. Number 9. Yamaha XS650. The Yamaha XS650 was one of the most dependable bikes of its day when it was first released in 1970. Created to rival the market-dominant British twin-cylinder motorcycles, Yamaha produced a vehicle that not only performed on par with them, but also outlasted them in terms of durability. Fundamentally, the XS650 has a 654 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine with a durable, long-lasting construction. This bike seldom left riders stranded, didn't need continual tuning, and didn't have frequent oil leaks like many of its British competitors. The XS650 is a favorite among fans of antique motorcycles because of its classic style, simplicity of maintenance, and adaptability. It is still a representation of Yamaha's engineering prowess, whether it is converted into a bobber or a cafe racer. Owners of many original XS650s are happy to brag about their bike's ability to withstand decades of service with few problems. Number 8. Kawasaki Z1. The Z1 immediately established itself as one of the most potent and dependable motorcycles available at the time. Its remarkable speed and unwavering durability attracted riders. Long, high-speed trips were easily handled by its sturdy engine, which was uncommon for motorcycles in the 1970s. Its sturdy construction also ensured that, even with frequent usage, little maintenance was required. The Z1 quickly became a classic and is now in great demand among collectors. Many original Z1s are still in perfect condition today, a monument to their enduring brilliance because of Kawasaki's dedication to excellent engineering. Number 7. Yamaha DT250. The Yamaha DT250 revolutionized the dual sport market when it made its debut in the late 1960s. It was one of the first bikes made to be a real all-terrain vehicle, able to switch between city streets and off-road routes with ease. The DT250 was a straightforward yet tough bike that could handle a range of terrains thanks to its lightweight 246 cubic centimeter two-stroke single-cylinder engine. It gained popularity among adventure riders in the 1970s, who appreciated its durability and adaptability. Yamaha's emphasis on durability made sure these bikes could withstand a hammering and continue to function, and their simple design made maintenance and repairs simple, even in remote areas. Many DT250s are still in use today, whether for everyday commuting or off-road excursions, demonstrating that Yamaha has mastered the recipe for a long-lasting bike. Number 6. Honda CB350. With good cause, the Honda CB350 was among the top-selling bikes of the 1970s. Its 325 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine provided the ideal mix of dependability, affordability, and performance. Both novice and expert riders appreciated it because of its user-friendly design and strong construction. The CB350 was known for being incredibly durable and nearly unbreakable. Because of its straightforward design, riders may accumulate tens of thousands of kilometers with no maintenance. Because of Honda's commitment to excellence, this bike was made to last a lifetime. The CB350 is still a highly sought-after model among vintage collectors today because of its timeless design and reliable operation. Many CB350s are still in use today, even after decades, demonstrating how successfully Honda mastered the recipe for a durable motorbike. Number 5. Honda CB504. The Honda CB504, which debuted in 1971, was made for riders who want the smoothness of a 4-cylinder engine in a more portable and reasonably priced package. With its 498 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, it maintained Honda's renowned dependability while providing a smooth, elegant ride. The CB504, which was well known for its superb construction and enduring performance, was equally at ease riding through urban areas, as it was traveling lengthy distances on the highway. Its engine was designed to be almost indestructible, able to go tens of thousands of kilometers with no trouble. Many CB504s are still in use today because their owners like their classic style and reliable operation. Honda made sure the CB500 earned its place in motorcycle history by combining affordability, dependability, and power into one package. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Number 4. Suzuki GT750. When the Suzuki GT750, sometimes known as the Water Buffalo, made its debut in 1971, it was a revolutionary motorbike. It distinguished itself from the competition as Suzuki's first water-cooled bike, which was uncommon at the time. A popular choice for both touring and commuting riders, the GT750's 738 cubic centimeter two-stroke, three-cylinder engine produced smooth, steady power and an incredibly pleasant ride. Its inventive water cooling technology greatly increased its dependability by preventing overheating on lengthy trips. In addition to its longevity, riders valued its unique exhaust tone and comfortable seats, which enhanced the enjoyment of each trip. The GT750 is still regarded with respect in the world of antique motorcycles. Many original versions have survived decades of usage thanks to its robust engine, strong construction, and innovative design, demonstrating that the Water Buffalo was made to last. The Kawasaki Z1, the company's response to the Honda CB750, was released in 1972 and quickly became a sensation in the performance world. Its 903 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine made it not just quick, but also groundbreaking. Number 3. Kawasaki H2 MKV. Released in 1972, the Kawasaki H2 MKV was a motorcycle that turned heads with its blistering performance. Powered by a 748 cubic centimeter two-stroke, three-cylinder engine, it was one of the fastest bikes of its era, earning the infamous nickname Widowmaker. Despite its wild reputation, the H2 was also known for its reliability. Kawasaki engineered it to withstand the demands of its high-performance engine, and for riders who respected its power, it proved to be a durable and dependable machine. With proper care, its robust engine could last for decades. Today, the H2 remains a highly sought-after classic, with collectors valuing its rare combination of speed and longevity. It left an undeniable mark on the motorcycle world and continues to be celebrated as a masterpiece of engineering. Number 2. Honda CB750. The Honda CB750, a motorbike that revolutionized the industry when it debuted in 1969 and dominated the 1970s, is at the top of the list. The CB750, sometimes referred to as the first superbike in history, had a 736 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine that set a new standard for performance bikes by skillfully combining power, smoothness, and dependability. Its sophisticated engineering served as the model for innumerable subsequent motorcycles. However, the CB750 was made to last, not only to be innovative. Its superb construction guaranteed decades of dependability, and its engine was built to operate smoothly for tens of thousands of kilometers. Many CB750s are still in use today, looking as though they were just taken off the assembly line, making it one of the most recognizable motorcycles ever produced. These bikes from the 1970s, which combine performance, longevity, and classic design, epitomize the golden era of Japanese engineering. Each of these motorcycles demonstrates the timeless appeal of great engineering. These vehicles are proof of the dependability and inventiveness of Japanese motorbikes, regardless of whether you are a collector, rider, or just a fan of vintage motorcycles. Number 1. Yamaha RD350. Launched in 1973, the Yamaha RD350 was a high-performance two-stroke motorcycle that quickly became a favorite among thrill seekers. With its lightweight frame and powerful 347 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine, it delivered an exhilarating ride that few competitors could match. What made the RD350 even more remarkable was its reliability. Despite being a high-revving performance machine, Yamaha engineered it to last. Riders appreciated its simple yet robust design, which made maintenance and repairs straightforward. Built to withstand aggressive riding, the RD350 became known for its durability. Even decades later, the RD350 remains a beloved choice among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Many original models are still running strong today, a true testament to Yamaha's engineering excellence. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.